Hey you, welcome back to my channel. I got a new video for you because I purchased a $6 scalp scrub, this little guy, and I've been using it for 2 weeks because I have not been washing my hair 2 times a week. It's mostly being one, and there's built up, so I exfoliate when I do my wash day. And this is the shampoo I used. It's got some coconut oil in it and it's moisturizing. And then I'm using up this one, even though it smells, I still use it. Anywho, once I apply the scrub, I use this little massager. Start from the top and go into circular motions and very much try not to tangle up the hair, especially toward the middle section and the ends, because there's a possibility it will. And this is how I do it. Start from the top, lift my hair up, do the bottom, and then salvage what I missed in the middle. Now, this is before my hair is all nice and detangled with my Pocahontas. I do this first, the Pocahontas, and then the blue one last for my ends, because I feel like the purple does not fully detangle, and the blue one does little tiny tangles that go toward the ends of the hair. So majority of the brushing is from Pocahontas, but the 10% is the blue brush. So here's the scrubber. It has a very mild scent to it, I would say, and I use a little bit because it says once you apply the scrub to fully scrub, as well as I also wet my hair. They want your hair wet, and then you apply the scrub, and while you're scrubbing, they want you to continue scrubbing until it's completely dissolved. The little salt granule particles, the pebbles, the rough stuff, they have to be completely dissolved and absorbed in scrubbing the surface of the scalp. And I do that toward the back as well, same thing. Making sure I get everywhere where I think it needs it the most. So mainly the front and the back, and I managed to get into the middle. Once that's done, of course, I bring out my shampoo, do a couple of pumps, and then grab the Verb shampoo and zigzag it onto the hand. Then once I'm finished, I mix it up, because I like making concoctions with anything I could mix. Get my hair nice and wet, because by that time it starts to feel a little dry, or some of it. And I scrub only the scalp area. I rinse, and hopefully the rest of the hair will be washed when I'm rinsing out the hair. So this little snippet is I was trying something out, finger rolling instead of finger twisting. This is finger rolling results. It took a while, a little over an hour, but I also wasn't being too particular. I was just grabbing clumps of the hair and rolling, and I was just testing it out and thought to show you the results. So here it is, all nice and dry the next morning, bed hair and everything, and I'm tired, so don't mind me taking out the goopy gunk from my eyes. But this is the results. Isn't it beautiful? I love it, because I haven't been doing much with my hair, and I know unexpected the fuzzy in the front was gonna be prominent the next day, because I was having a little trouble with that. But the rest of the hair was top shape curly, so that was very nice. Anywho, so that's it. Nice little new addition to my shower routine and a new technique I used. Yeah, I like it. I may do it more, but gotta make sure I have time to do it. But yeah, like and subscribe. Embrace. Joy.